Welcome to the Sugar CRM to SYSPRO Accounts and Contacts Synchronization video. The Sugar CRM to SYSPRO solutions feature bi-directional integration that removes repetitive data entry and human errors to reduce costs and improve company performance. The solutions include the synchronization between Sugar CRM and SYSPRO for accounts and contacts, product inventory for use within sales quotations, and sales opportunities to automatically create invoices within SYSPRO. In this short video, we will show how the creation of an account and contact in Sugar CRM can create and update a record in SYSPRO. Firstly, in Sugar CRM, we will start by populating an account with the relevant details. And then click Save. If we take a look in BPA Platform, we can see the tasks for this integration. The first task is labeled Control. This runs all the subsequent tasks in sequence, and it can be automated and run on a scheduled basis. However, other events can be used as an alternative to a schedule if required. For this demonstration, we will manually queue the control task and have it complete the synchronization for the account and contact data. Once the tasks have completed, we can take a look at the staging database to see the records have been transferred. And here we can see the related entry in the companies table for the account we just created. In SYSPRO, if we navigate to Customers and search for the account we created previously in Sugar CRM, we can see the information has been brought across. However, we didn't enter the phone number correctly. Let's update that in Sugar CRM. In Sugar CRM, if we return to our newly created account, then edit the office phone number, and save this change. Back in BPA Platform, let's queue the control task to update the record. And once these have completed, we can return to SYSPRO. If we open the previously created account, we can see that the telephone number has now been successfully updated. And that's it for this video. We have demonstrated how an account and contact in Sugar CRM can be created and updated in SYSPRO. For more information on BPA Platform's integrations, call us or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.